Hi there! The market is flooded with fitness bands and smartwatches. Here's a mix of both, the Zeblaze Vibe 5. I got this from banggood.com for 2500 rupees thanks to a promo code that I'll share with you towards the end of this video. Now we'll unbox it, have a look at the device, and I'll share my opinion if it's worth your buck or not. So continue watching this video. This is your friend Tech Singh. Let's get started. So before we begin, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any updates. Let's begin with the unboxing. So here is the Zeblaze Vibe 5. It says Smart Fitness Watch. The design profile is very similar to a Samsung Galaxy watch. It's a round dial with a color display. On the back you can see Vibe 5 Smart Fitness Watch, compatibility Android 4.4 and above and iOS 8.2. Alright, let's unbox this. It looks good. This is blue in color. Let's first remove the screen protector. Alright, let's keep this aside. You have a user manual which is in English. That's a USB and there's a clip. This seems to have magnets. Alright, let's see. Okay, that's good. It's magnetic. Let's power this on and see. Oh, there you go. Okay, on first appearance the display actually doesn't look that bad. It looks quite good. Let's have a closer look. Okay, back. Okay, so let me tell you that this isn't a touch display. You can use it from here. Steps, calories burned, kilometers, beats per minute, and sleep, messages, sport, timer, find, and I think this is to turn it off. So what else does it have? Does it have more watch faces? Oh, okay, that actually looks quite good. Okay. Oh wow, now that looks stunning. Check that out. Check that out. And it looks beautiful. Okay, I'm already impressed with this. This watch face just makes it worth it. What else? Oh, that's nice. Okay, you have your regular analog watch as well. And this. So there are like around 5 or 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, there are 5 watch faces that you have on them. Okay, this is just too good. I'm going to pair this with an app and see how this works. They have an app called Wear Health. Let's download it. So meanwhile the app downloads, we'll just have a look at it. Here are some tactile buttons on the side to navigate. The body is made of plastic. Top bezel is black, looks like some metal but isn't. On the back you can see a heart rate sensor. The rest is all plastic, as well as here you can see the charging terminals. The strap is made of good quality rubber. It's soft and should be comfortable. In the user manual it says IP67 water resistant, so you can wear it for a swim, in the shower or in the rain, no problem. So once it's done, you can see device management, lift the wristwatch to brighten the screen, call reminders, let's turn that on, SMS reminder, continuous HR, do not disturb, time format 12 hours, metric updates, find equipment. Okay, there it is. In the screensaver settings on the app, you can use any pic from the gallery as a watch face. So let's wear this and see now. So strapping this is easy and it looks nice. Maybe a little bigger for my wrist, but all I can say is I can get used to it. And of course, it's a matter of personal preference. Fits well and very comfortable. So finally, the device is impressive, though it's not perfect. It's not a touchscreen firstly, but that doesn't mean it's not easy to use. The buttons on the side make it extremely convenient. In fact, I've realized the touchscreen blocks a lot of things that you want to select. With the buttons, the use actually was easier than I thought it would be. The display is good. The text is sharp, but the colors aren't as vibrant as I expected them to be. This is an LCD display and not an AMOLED display, because of which the colors are not as vibrant as you see on the most premium smartwatches. But that is something I'm not going to complain. This is extremely budget smartwatch, so LCD display and the colors look pretty okay for that price. Now there are only a couple of watch faces available, 5 or 6 watch faces preset, which you cannot change, but there are enough options and in different colors. There's analog, there's digital, and there's a lot more that gives you on these watch faces. As of now, you're just limited to these preset watch faces, but they're good enough. I'm still not complaining about it. It's pretty decent, yes, but if you had an option to add more, it would be great. Possibly with future updates, we might see that. Also, the app is something I wanted to talk about. The app is something which I'm still not very impressed with. It still needs refinement, though I've read that you will receive software updates for the band through that app, but still I'm not very impressed with the app. We don't receive third-party notifications like WhatsApp or Instagram or Facebook to our watches. You will receive SMS updates as well as call alerts, but apart from that, no third-party updates. Coming to the battery life, it lasts for around 4 to 5 days. Now that's not bad considering it's a color display, so no complaints about that. Now let's not forget, this is a budget fitness band cum smartwatch for under 2500, color display, round dial, 4-5 days battery life, IP67 water resistant, so you can wear it for a swim, you can wear it in the rain, you can wear it in the shower, no problem at all. So for 2500, I think it's pretty much worth it, and it looks pretty nice. It actually stands out when you're wearing this compared to the other smartwatches also. So should you buy this for under 2500? Yes, absolutely. If you're looking to buy a smartwatch cum fitness tracker, this one is absolutely worth your buck. Also, I have to mention the promo code will work only with the link that I have dropped in the description. If you randomly go to banggood.com and you go to Vibe 5 and you go on checkout and you enter this promo code, it will not work. So please make sure you use the promo code with the link mentioned in the description. So I hope this video was helpful. Write down in the comments and give me your feedback about this video. Also, if there are any questions regarding the Zeblaze 5, do let me know. Don't forget to like this video, share this video and subscribe to my channel for many more videos like these. Until next time, cheers.